friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this we're going to compare the CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO 7 device versus Mi 11X device. So this is the test which I'm trying to do after the recent Android 12 update between these both phones. So right now iQOO 7 device which is running the Android 12 and even the Mi 11X device also which is running the Miui 13 update, as you can see. Miui 13 which is Android 12 based Miui 13 which I did install in this device. And let's see friends which phone has got what type of CPU throttling graph. And this is kind of Chinese based ROM which I try to install just to check the performance, what's going on in the Mi 11X device. So maybe the Indian variant will be receiving the on maybe this February month or March month we should be able to get in the Indian version. Just for the demonstration only I did install. So I would not recommend for anyone or users to anyway to try this Miui 13 because there are a lot of other performance and throttling issues which we'll try to get into that in a bit. So right now as you can see friends, so both phones do have the 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. You can see exactly same settings I'm trying to select between these both phones. Same settings as you can see. So let's see, using with the same settings, what will be the overall graph we can actually expect between these two devices. That's what I'm going to demonstrate, and the stopwatch is also started. So this test will go on for about 15 minutes of time continuously between these both phones. In 15 minutes we'll try to find out which phone has got what type of high performance scores and what is the graph overall average, what is going on and minimum what is happening. And I did not enable monster mode and there is no high performance mode enabled. Again I'll be back after some time. So right now as you can see friends, is the time exactly 7 minutes and 33 seconds of time, and let's check out the temperatures, what's happening between these both phones. And the Mi 11X device is about 36.8 degrees Celsius and iQOO 7 is about 35.4. That's quite less than the Mi 11X device, 1 degree less, not bad. And look at the graph, what's going on in the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly see it's kind of very stable and consistent, right, in the performance after the Android 12. But in the Mi 11X device you can see the throttling, how it's kind of happening after 8 minutes of time, like ups and downs and everywhere. After this Miui 13, even in the Miui 12 also it's the same case. Even in the Miui 13 also it's the same thing. So nothing much difference in the Mi 11X device before and after Android 11 and Android 12. So in the iQOO 7 device I can see the slightly decrease in the performance, maybe to maintain the throttling. I think that it decrease the performance scores, I think so. But overall this is the graph after 8 minutes of time. Again I'll be back after some time, maybe after 13 and 14 minutes at the end we'll try to see the scores, what's going on exactly. So right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to end of the CPU throttling test course as well, and right now you can definitely look at the performance scores, what's happening here between these two phones, comparing side by side regarding the throttling, how it's happening here. And the final temperature is about 36.6 degrees in the Mi 11X device and 37.8 degrees, slightly kind of increased in the iQOO 7 device because it has to maintain that kind of high level performance rise. Maybe that might be the reason why. So after 15 minutes of time exactly, these are the CPU throttling graphs which we got side by side. So let's take the screenshot, and you can see CPU total up to 93% in the iQOO 7 device. If you want you can actually pause this video and you can actually take a look. And definitely when 93% versus 79% CPU throttling, so completely better in the iQOO 7 device. And maximum 3,44,000 and 294 and 254, 324, 313 and 299. In each and every category the iQOO 7 seems to be having slight better scores. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. The quick comparison between these both phones after 15 minutes of time. And this after the Android 12 update between these two devices. So meanwhile signing off friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates and bye.